eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using these two colors here, the pink and like a reddish rust brown color. So I'm going to mix these two colors together, and I'm going to apply here like towards the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm going to take my brush. I'm going to use this lighter pink, and I'm going to apply it in the inner corner of my eye. If you guys are just coming on, please tap on that screen, double tap for me, and show my channel some love. Please like, share, and subscribe. We gotta get up to 2,000 subscribers on TikTok. And if you're on my YouTube channel, we gotta get up to 12,000 subscribers. And Instagram, 9,000, and then my personal page, 2,000. Alright, you guys, and then we're gonna go ahead and use my tattoo marker. This is the felt tip eyeliner that I always use. It's the color Black is Black. So how do I draw it on? It's very easy. I use the inner point of my eyebrow as my guide. So I just draw the line, and then I start filling it in. So you can take your time. You can do it slow. Come on, guys. Show my channel some love. Tap on that screen, double tap for me. And I'm going to use my Velux Emerald Mink Lashes Josephine. Yes, I have been wearing these lashes for probably the whole week. I just wanted to show you guys you can wear your lashes longer. You don't have to throw them away. And I'm going to use my Super Strong 3D eyelash adhesive. This is clear. And I'm going to apply around the rim of my lashes. And I'm going to bend my lash like in the letter U to help shape my lashes. And I'm going to get close to my lash line. And I'm going to press down. Making sure that it's in place. And it is. So it's not going to go nowhere. Alright, so the fun part is we're going to use the concealer. I use 3 different concealers. I'm going to go ahead and start with the Warm Coconut 345. And all the products that I'm using, you can go on iEnvy, ivyusa.com. And then I'm going to use the 332 Classic Tan Concealer. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my Warm Honey 320. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. spray, which is the Power Grip Spray. And I'm going to just go ahead and spray. And then we're going to spray a little bit on the brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out. And just blending in that concealer. Good morning. Good morning, Miss Yvonne. I'm just going to try a little bit of that. And that's it. I'm going to use my Pearl One concealer. Blush. And I'm going to blend it in. Okay. And I'm going to go back in with my Malibu Sunrise. I'm going to use a little bit of orange and yellow. And I'm going to blend it out. And then I'm just going to use that yellow by itself, and it's going to have it in the inner corner here. Okay. And this is the final look. So I hope you guys did enjoy my makeup tutorial this morning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all platforms. And thank you for tuning in. Thank you, Miss Beverly and Miss Yvonne. This is the final look. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste, and follow me on my Instagram page, Modest Transformation, and SexyRiri_93. All of my platforms that I am on will be in my bio. So please go follow me and subscribe. And once again, YouTube, we are on the road to 12,000 subscribers. On here on TikTok, we need to get up to 2,000 subscribers. So please, when I do come live, please double tap for me. Also share my content And follow me on Instagram as well. And I will see you guys in my next live. Have a great weekend, and I will see you guys later. Bye.